This question is from GATE 2011 Mechanical Engineering paper, question number 24. Which one of the following welding processes uses non-consumable electrode? Option A, gas metal arc welding. Option B, submerged arc welding. Option C, gas tungsten arc welding. Or option D, flux coated arc welding. Let's discuss which of these is the non-consumable electrode welding. Let's discuss some important points about option C, that is gas tungsten arc welding, which is also called as TIG, tungsten inert gas welding. In this type of welding, the electric arc that is produced, it is maintained between the electrode and the part to be welded, but that electrode is a non-consumable electrode. So it is maintained between a non-consumable electrode and the part to be welded. The filler metal is, on the other hand, held besides the non-consumable electrode, and that filler metal is melted due to this arc. Thereby, this creates a weld in the part that is to be welded or the joint. On the other hand, all the other welding that were mentioned in the options, that is the gas metal arc welding, the submerged arc welding, and the flux coated arc welding. Apart from gas tungsten arc welding, all the other welding processes uses consumable electrodes. That is, the filler metal is within the electrode and that itself is being consumed while welding. So we can see that option C, gas tungsten arc welding, is the correct option. To learn more about welding processes and to see the diagrammatical representation of all of these weldings, you can refer to the NPTEL video Introduction to the course from the course Welding Processes. This course is by Professor Murugaiya Amirthalingam. He is from Department of Metallurgical and Materials Engineering from IIT Madras. I hope this explanation will help you clear your doubt. Thank you.